FizzlePop loves eating human brains. Sounds crazy, right? Today, I'm taking you through the creation process of FizzlePop, including my favorite tools and tips. So, stay tuned. Here, I'm sculpting the bulges that give my aliens their signature look. The bulges take a bit of patience, cause you gotta smooth them out so they blend in seamlessly. Here's where clay softener comes in, your best buddy for getting those transitions super smooth. I always pre-bake the eyes of my pieces so they don't get messed up or move around while you're working on the rest. The clay shaper is, hands down, my favorite tool. I just love how it blends the clay together so smoothly. You're still here? What a legend! Don't forget to subscribe and like to keep the good vibes going. By the way, you're probably wondering why FizzlePop's favorite snack is human brains. Honestly, I'm not quite sure. The idea just popped into my head one day, and here we are. To keep the feet from falling off, I'll fix them up with Epoxy Sculpt after baking. Epoxy Sculpt is a lifesaver for fragile parts. Yep, I made that texture tool myself. While FizzlePop is in the oven, I'm working on the arms and hands. To attach the arms, I use a neodymium magnet. It's a game changer. Here, I'm sculpting the tail with a texture tool I purchased online. Just like the arms, the tail gets attached with a neodymium magnet. I sketch the eyebrows with a pencil to know exactly where to place them. We went from this to that. Stay tuned for part 2.